In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Opera mobile browser on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the Play Store. And in the search field at the bottom, go ahead and select that. And then you want to search for Opera up at the top. Select the Opera browser from the list. Should have over 100 million downloads. You want to get directly from Opera themselves in case there's some other app that is also offering that as an install option. But you want to make sure it's verified here as well. And you can see it's downloading. It's about 50 megabytes, the installer at the time of this recording. And then you just can select open to open it up. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.